First, let's talk about explainer videos, which is made to highlight a company's product, service, or business idea in a compelling and efficient way. This type of video is used to help your audience better understand why they need your product or service. Many explainer videos focus on a fictional journey of the company's core buyer persona who is struggling with a problem. This person overcomes the issue by adopting or buying the business's solution. To create a good explainer video, you need to keep it short, usually 1 to 3 minutes, have a strong call to action, and focus on solving a problem. And you should follow the what, how, why structure. What's the audience problem? How will your product or service fix it? Why should the audience choose you? This is one of the most popular types of videos, and are usually made as animation video, whiteboard, infographics, or live action. Next, we have brand videos. This is any video created to highlight the brand's services or offerings that brings awareness to or sales from its target audience. The key defining factor for a brand video is that it highlights, well, your brand. That means it doesn't need to advertise a specific product or service outright. The goal here should be to establish your brand in the mind of the audience. And the reason brand videos are so important is because it will increase relatability and trust, it will reach more potential customers through social media, it will convey more information in less time, and you will stand out from the crowd. Keep your brand videos 1 to 3 minutes long. The shorter the better. The third video type is educational videos, which is to build the knowledge your customer needs to understand your business, or to teach your audience something valuable. For example, this could be a step-by-step instruction on how to use your product, or it could be a how-to video, like this one, explaining something complex in a clear and accessible way. When your audience are looking for information, it's your job to give it to them. This is your chance to help leads with advice and answers when they're straight up asking to be helped. Educational videos help to position your brand as an authority, a source of free, useful knowledge, and a reliable name. You're teaching, not selling, and that will generate trust. The next video type is testimonials and case studies. So, what's more convincing than people just like you speaking truthfully about how glad they got a certain product or service? If you want to connect with your audience in a way that builds trust beyond a doubt, these videos not only show viewers that they're not alone in their problem, but it also shows that your product or service really works. They are powerful and persuasive because viewers often connect with other customers. These videos should be short and sweet, around 1 to 3 minutes long. The last video type I will talk about today is social videos. It's no secret that video content is the most effective when it comes to generating social media impressions, engagement, and traffic. Rule number 1 is to make your video valuable. Aim to either educate, entertain, or inspire. And some ideas for social videos are tips and tricks videos, announcements, behind the scenes, events, giveaways and contests, promos and deals, interviews and Q&As, and live streams.